What's going on YouTube? Marcus back here, bringing you guys a video on this 2008 Toyota Prius. It's the touring edition, and let's hop in. And here's a little light of the inside of the car. And yeah, let's just get straight into the video. That was the outside of the car. I'm currently out here in the wild, pretty much. I don't really know anyone out here. I was just doing a DoorDash. And you know, I had the camera on me and I was just like, might as well make a video, be productive. And how do I get out of here? Go left. Pull up the map. There's an incoming car. Ooh, someone just ran across the street. Oh, this looks right. Let me turn right here. Nice little neighborhood. We're on Scenery Drive. And that's all I'm about to show. But yeah, guys, hope you guys are doing well. I am, focusing on myself and improving myself. There's like a biker gang over there. Flex on him. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. How do you like that? All jokes aside, I have been very pleased with this Prius. I've owned it for almost a year now. I'd say almost 2 years. And I'll just be real with all of you. It's been fun driving this. I'm very grateful to have a car. And this is my daily driver. But it's time for an upgrade. Put in the comments down below what I should get next. I'm thinking of something German. But anyways, all dreams aside, this car has been very reliable. It's been through the worst and back, to put it at the least. And I'm just so grateful for all the memories and all that shit. You know what I'm saying? Just all that stuff. But like I said earlier, I need something faster, and like I said, something German that was built for the Autobahn. Fortunately, I do not live in Germany right now, so that's kind of out of the picture with the Autobahn thing. But we're just out here grinding to survive. That has been 2020 in a nutshell for myself, at least. I've been out here, working and trying to better myself. I'm actually in school, taking some college courses at a local college, which is all online. It's completely so weird. I'm not going to any, in-person classes right now. But we'll see. YouTube, I'm very fortunate enough to be monetized, and I'm very grateful for all my fans. And just weighing all my options, I'm going to go with my YouTube career. And you guys that are watching this right now, you guys are definitely watching the alpha the alpha beta version or whatever, the alpha version of like a game, you know what I mean? Like just like not even just the beginning, which I'm trying to say or convey in this video. But we're going on the highway now and give it a little gas, put the high beams on. But yeah, guys, super grateful. Just got an Amber Alert on my phone. You know, it's crazy stuff is going on in 2020. And like I said, I hope you all are just staying safe and, you know, bettering yourself every day. And, you know, I cannot wait for 2021 or 2022. Hopefully things will, you know, move on from COVID and life will be all fun. I mean, I've had fun even during COVID, not even gonna lie, but you guys will definitely know what I'm talking about. But you know, this is the highway, and you know, this car, I'm getting currently 69 miles per gallon, 70. I let my foot off the gas, I'm getting 99 miles per gallon. And you know, that's great, because this is a hybrid system, so there's an electric motor and a gas motor. And unfortunately, it's not a supercar, so you're not going to be going ridiculous speeds, kind of like the Porsche hybrid they have, the supercar one. I'm blanking out on the name. I'll slap a picture in the video. But anyways, super reliable car, economical, saved me so much money in these 2 years. It's crazy, but I feel like I'm ready for, you know, just something new. I like I said, guys, I want to see your opinions, so comment down below what you would see a German enthusiast drive. Just for some examples, I'm thinking of like a W211 or a W203, something Mercedes. And that's really all I've been looking at. I just really like the experience and the quality that you get with those cars. And this is the new road. I don't know who that is. Like I said, this is a new road. They just built this on our highway. Very useful. And, you know, I'm just gonna showcase just a little bit of this. But anyways, I am so grateful for my whole community and just everyone supporting me on YouTube. I'm gonna continue to upload and, you know, just make dope content for y'all. Like I said, guys, thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys soon. Peace.
So why is it so hard?